sober. You've been turning me inside out. Know that I've lost my composure. It's like I've been stuck in a blackout. Long night, cold sweat, I'm shaking. High time, low points, you take me. Missed calls, long texts, I'm slipping away too deep. Are you drifting? I feel a change in me lately. I'm all worked up when you're not around. You might think that I'm crazy, but I can't see straight when I'm falling down, 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 No, I can't see straight when I'm falling down. No, I can't see straight when I'm falling down. No, I can't see straight when I'm falling down. Lost in the love hangover. Every day you've been sticking around. Wishing that I could hold ya, but I'm thinking you'd turn me down. Long night, cold sweat, I'm shaking. High time, low points, you take me. Missed calls, long texts, I'm slipping away too deep. Are you drifting? I feel a change in me lately. I'm all worked up when you're not around. You might think that I'm crazy, but I can't see straight when I'm falling down, 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 No, I can't see straight when I'm falling down. No, I can't see straight when I'm falling down. No, I can't see straight when I'm falling down. When I'm falling down. When I'm falling down. When I'm falling down.
Yeah, check it, yeah. Yo, check it, yo, I know you reap what you sow, but tell me where you go when you feeling this low. It's like a sideshow, the way we go to and fro. Now that's whoa, but I'm trying to change the status quo. Although I gotta find a brawn that I can carry on. That's word born, I'm an orphan, not a vagabond. Will I be wrong if I'm gone? Without a trace, the only thing that keeps me safe is my daughter's face. No time to waste, yo, I gotta win this paper chase. Now that's deep, so deep that I'm half asleep. I can't think, can't breathe, can't even speak. Sometimes the impossible's possible to reach. Sometimes you gotta keep on fighting till you find your niche. I'm like a wild rabid dog that is off his leash. I'm like Lestat the vampire with the sharpest teeth. I'm no lie, orphanage, we got the darkest beats. Come on.
If you wanna make it happen, get up and do your thing. Ain't nothing stopping you. Do what you do. Get up and do your thing. Just be honest with yourself. Get up and do your thing. Decide, come on and try.
Check it, yeah, I got them suicidal flows, them sick, quick-witted rhymes that'll leave you froze. Yeah, I'm chose, but we all chose for different roles, different lives, different highs, plus different lows. Other cats, they running around in the empress clothes. They get exposed when they come around the realest cats. Real recognize real, I hope you're feeling that. Your beats don't clap, plus your rap straight whack. Can't sing, yo, can't do a thing, black. You're faking the funk, yo, how you get a contract? It must have been a junior A&R who signed that. And now his job's on the line, looking at the sack. And now he's sniffing around my orphanage with vocal dads. Talking Pro Tools, Pro Logic, all that. SLRs, TDMs in different formats. We don't need nobody, best you know that. So hold that.
If you wanna make it happen, get up and do your thing. Ain't nothing stopping you. Do what you do. Get up and do your thing. Just be honest with yourself. Get up and do your thing.
even brighter day after that. So,
now don't you wish that you could fly away? Find a way that you could pick up and just get away.
Yeah.
Switch up the game plan, find a better way from all the stress and drama that be happening every day. But anyway, to win the title or to fight away, it's kinda vital that you don't waste your life away. I run with pace, cause for real I hate the either way. It's never too late, why wait till you're old and gray? And by the way, do the ends justify the means? The future belongs to those who believe in dreams. I wanna scream it out loud, slide for moonbeams. I wanna dance in the clouds, watch the stars gleam. It seems to me that the youth is wasted on the young, and that we never realize it till our time's done. So come fly with me like life has just begun. Escape from the pain and let's touch the sun. Yeah.
ride with
If you wanna
Yeah.
make it happen,
yeah.
get up and do your
Okay.
thing. Nothing's
Orphanage in the
stopping
house.
you. Do what you know.
DK's in the house,
Do
baby.
your thing. Honest with yourself. Get up and do your thing. Decide the moment, child. Get up and do your thing. If you wanna make it happen, get up and do your thing. Nothing's stopping you. Do what you do. Get up and do your thing. Honest with yourself. Get up and do your thing. Decide the moment, child. Get up and do your thing. Get up and do your thing. Get up. Oh yeah, yeah. Get up and do your thing. Get up. Won't you get up? Get up and do your thing.
Let's go.
Get up and do your thing. If you wanna make it happen, get up and do your thing. Get up. Get up and do your thing. Get up. Get up and do your thing. Get up. Get up and do your thing.
Yo. Yes, they're invading and terrorizing towns. Take a look around, there's a war going down. Screeching in your ears with a high-pitched sound. Paralyzing dudes, forcing them to hit the ground. The Trochars are here, don't look into the eyes. Hypnotizing guys, but you in for a surprise. Tap that pad, you'll be getting paralyzed. It's a pussy trap, so be cautious and wise.
It's time to start your running, cause they coming to get ya. And when you see their weapons, they'll all be over, betcha. You think your willpower strong, you think you can resist them. You wish you had a stayed in, the Chochas are invading.
Oh my gosh, they're giving chase. Pack your bags, but there ain't no time to waste. They're straight from space and they all up in your face, all up in your grill. 9'5", head bigger than a hill, but they got looks to kill with a lot of skill. Traps up for them blind, say they on a pill. Attacks up for them that are looking for a thrill. Multiply, next thing you know you got a bill, but oh well.
It's time to start your running, cause they coming to get ya. And when you see their weapons, they'll all be over, betcha. You think your willpower strong, you think you can resist them. You wish you had a stayed in, the Chochas are invading. It's time to start your running, cause they coming to get ya. And when you see their weapons, they'll all be over, betcha. You think your willpower strong, you think you can resist them.
final blow of the whistle, sound of the horn. We will fight, we will conquer, emerge victorious. We are the champions.
Nah, you can't take this crown. We're so solid, you're standing on rocky ground. We move fast, so we running them out of town. We heavyweight, we beating them pound for pound. I beat, show, I fake, blow, a left hook, yo. If it's toe to toe, I'ma take it all. Leave none for y'all, just me and my crew. It's a fair pursuit, so get another job. This one is gone, it took a little time, but now it is on. Green light is go, go let your mama know. We about to put this game in the choke. You can't stop a winner from winning, yo, it's a given. My teammates stopping the second up while we living. If it's there for the taking, we taking it, no sweating. We taking it, no sweating. Until the final, blow out the whistle, sound out the horn. We will fight, we will conquer, emerge victorious. We are the champions. Yo, you can't slow me down. You're too quiet, my music is too loud. I'm on fire, I'm blazing, I'm too proud. If you're fine, stop looking, cause I'm what it's about. You can't stop a winner from winning, yo, it's a given. My team ain't stopping the second up while we